After choosing a theme and setting up your homepage, it's time to start adding more pages to your site. These additional pages help organize content and provide important information for your visitors. Common examples include a services page to outline what you offer, an about page to introduce yourself or your business, a contact page for inquiries, and even a blog page or news page for updates and articles. Let's go ahead and create a new page for our site. To get started, navigate to Appearance and Editor in your WordPress dashboard. This opens the site editor where you can manage all parts of your site using blocks. If you are already editing your homepage, click the WordPress logo in the upper left corner to return to the menu option. To add a new page, click on Pages in the left side menu, then click Add New Page. Give your page a title, in this case Contact, and then click the Create Draft button. We can start adding content like text, images, buttons, a contact form, and any other type of content. But what if you want to speed things up? Well, you can use patterns and choose from a selection of beautiful designs for many types of pages. To add patterns, click the plus icon in the top left corner and select the Patterns tab. You can filter by category. So we'll go ahead and choose the Contact category. For a contact page, it's common to add a contact form, your business hours, and sometimes a map. Once you find a pattern you like, click it once to insert the entire layout, which you can then customize as you wish. I will go ahead and select 2 patterns for my contact page. One with a contact form and one with my contact details and a map. Next, let's talk about page settings, which you will find on the right sidebar. You'll find 2 tabs, one for the overall page settings and one for specific block settings that you've clicked on. Let's open the page settings and then click next to Status. When you first create the page, it will be a draft visible only to you. You can set it to public, private, or accessible only with a password. You can click the slug option to customize the page URL if you wish to. And you can also add an excerpt, where you can write a small summary of the page that can be used by search engines. Or click the Generate button to have AI write one for you automatically. Next, you can update the content of your patterns. So let's go ahead and make some tweaks. I'm going to remove the title named Contact from my pattern, and then replace the image on the right with one of my own. So we'll click on Replace, select Open Media Library, and then click on the relevant image. And don't forget to add alternative text. Once added, we can click on Select, and then the new image will have been applied. Then we can scroll down to our second pattern. We can replace the contact details with our own. And when we select the map, we can open the sidebar settings or block settings and click on Markers, bottom right, to update the address of your map. Then I'll go ahead and save my changes. When your page is ready, click on the computer screen icon in the upper right corner and then select Preview in a new tab to see what the page will look like to the public. When you are happy with the outcome, you can return to the editor view and hit the Publish button in the top right corner. Remember, you can come back and edit the page at any time. The cool thing is every time you save, WordPress keeps a revision, so you can always restore an earlier version of the page if needed. In the page settings, you'll find a new revisions option. This will only appear once you have saved some changes to the page. Click the number next to revisions. Then use the slider at the top to browse earlier versions. And click the Restore this revision button to return to that version of the page. Now it's your turn. Take some time to create and publish a new page. Whether it's an About, Services, or Portfolio page, you can create as many pages as your website needs. If you need any more guidance, please check out the resources linked below this video.